Hey guys, Chris Wilson here, Helpful Home Service Guy. I want to talk a little bit today about knob and tube remediation. Where I live in the Northeast, there's a lot of old homes. Philadelphia is full of turn-of-the-century homes that have a lot of knob and tube wiring in them. Uh, Oftentimes now, insurance companies are going to require that the knob and tube be remediated for safety reasons. Knob and tube lacks the safety device of a ground, which is what makes knob and tube potentially dangerous. Oftentimes, when we're installing HVAC systems, we require that the knob and tube is removed from the house before we install ductwork in an attic space, just to make sure that wire doesn't potentially touch someplace it shouldn't and potentially energize your duct system in your house. That means any of your vents or registers could actually become charged with electricity, which obviously would be dangerous. The ground that's in modern wires is what allows a breaker to trip and sense that current going from someplace other than the wire where it should be. Okay, so today I'm going to walk you through a house where we're currently doing a knob and tube remediation, and give you an idea of what that looks like and what's involved in doing that in your own home. Let's take a look. All right, so this is a perfect example of what we're talking about when we're talking about needing to refeed wires into a space. Anywhere where there's a fixture and there's a wire leading to that fixture, you have to make accesses to be able to get to the pathway to feed that new wire through. So as you can see, we try to do it arthroscopically, but there's still a fair amount of access and patching that needs to take place. Here's a good example. The joists are running through this way. This way. You can see here, the circuit came from down here, up the wall, across the joist, and right there to the new light fixture. Don't forget to follow for more helpful tips on keeping your home comfortable, safe, and efficient.